Points goes to Yodha. Yodha 1.
এইটো পরে ধরে গেলে
Points goes to Mixed Brothers. 1-1. Points goes to Yodha. Yodha 2. Mixed Brothers 1. Auto time out taken by Yodha. Points goes to Mixed Brothers. All 2. Back-to-back point for Mixed Brothers 3-2. Tried to crucially place the ball but cannot be able to find the gap and it's been trapped. The point is in favor of Yodha. 3-3. Pranjal wearing jersey number 14. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. 4-3. This time Mukundo, one of the best player of this tournament. Wow, it's trapped. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers 2 points ahead of Yodha. Mixed Brothers 5, Yodha 3. This time again, lucky serviceman Mukundo. Solid receiving, well played. Wow, what a kick from Bhumana. And it's been blocked again by Yodha. The point is in favor of Yodha. Yodha 4, Mixed Brothers 5. Solid receiving, absolute stunner. What a massive fight from Aditya. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers 6-4. Magnificent spike, but cannot be able to get the point. Again. Well played, but the point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers 7, Yodha 4. Dhakka laga, hoo-ha. Again, the point is in favor of as declared by the referee, the point is in favor of Yodha. Yodha 5, Mixed Brothers 7. This is the final set of this final match. Wow, what a crucial spike. Drive from the second court and The point is in favor of Yodha. Execution, great execution by Yodha. 6-7. Hurry up. Mixed Brothers Golaghat. Wow! Hammered down the ground and it crashes onto the ground. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers 8, Yodha 6. And this is the time for rotation, fielding rotation. 8-6. Again, a magnificent point for Mixed Brothers. 9-6. Just 6 points away to have the last love. Hammered down the ground. It crashes onto the ground. What a massive spike by Digonto. Wearing jersey number 7 from Yodha. 7-9. 7-9. Carry on Mixed Brothers Golaghat. This time Mukundo. Wow! So fortunate point. Unfortunately misses the ball by Yodha. And this time Mixed Brothers are on double digit. 10 versus 7. Just 5 points away to the game. Busili plays the ball again. Still, the rally continues. The rally continues. The ball is in the air. Tried from the second court, and I think it's all over. The point is in favor of Yodha. Yodha 8-10. What an exciting match is going on. The surrounding is packed with huge numbers of audience. It's magnificent. It's an excellent and exciting volleyball final match of this tournament. Wow! What a temple placement! It is one of the best placement of this tournament. This time the point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers 11, Yodha 8. Just 4 points away. Wow! At the crucial and important time, he misses his serve by the player wearing jersey number 10 from Mixed Brothers. It's 9-11. Don't try to miss anything at this moment. This time Aditya. Wow, the rally still continues. Absolute stunner. Try for once again on who will lift the ball. And this is well set up for Aditya. But Aditya cannot be able to get the blank. Try for this. Oh, he finds the cap. This is one of the best players of this tournament, Dipankar Barpeta, wearing jersey number 9. Yodha 10, Mixed Brothers 11. Hurry up, Mixed Brothers. This time Sahil lifted up. Whoa! One of the best players of this tournament. This time Mukundo smashes it hard and it crashes onto the ground. So the point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers 12 and Yodha 10. Only 3 points away. Wow, crossing on the one and it's been blocked, but it is declared outside by the referee. 11-12. 11-12. 11-12. This time Mukundo, the lucky man, but cannot be able to find the gap again. Wow, what a space, and it's all 12. It is most interesting stage of this game, stage of this stage. This is one of the most interesting stages of this set. All 12. Wow, what a coordination by the player. Whoa! Smash it hard and what a moment of this game. This time the point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers 13, Yoddha 12. This is the first warning from Mixed Brothers. Well, it is declared outside by the honorable referee, and it's all 13. Just 1 point needed for both teams to secure the place of the champion. Well received by Mukundo, and who will get the point? Oh, the most important point comes to Mixed Brothers. It is 14, and this is ZB. We will serve it. Mr. Aditya wearing jersey number 5. Gives the upper hand service. Who will get the point? Oh, what a spike! Magnificent spike! 14 all. Both teams need 2 consecutive points. Both teams need 2 consecutive points. For the first time, the first point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. 15. Just 1 point needed to be champion of this tournament for Mixed Brothers, and Yoddha has to equalize. This time, who will have the last lap? And again, the point is in favor of Yoddha. It's all 15 again. Deuce again. Both teams need 2 consecutive points. Who will get the point? Who will get the first point? Let's see. Let's watch who will get the point first. Oh! What a smashing! It crashes onto the ground. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers. Mixed Brothers need just 1 to be champion of this tournament, and Yoddha need 1 to equalize the set. Strike from the second, and again the point is in favor of Yoddha. It's all 16. Wow. What an interesting match going on. What an interesting match. Exciting match going on. Who will get the first point? Let's see. Who will lift the ball and who will try from the second. Try to smash it hard again. Softly needed good coordination among the players. And this time Mukundo. Wow, what a shot. But cannot be able to find the gap again. Crucially placed the ball, and again nobody wants to spike it hard. This time who will smash it? Crucially, and this time the point is... No! Mixed Brothers again 17. Yoddha 16. Again Mixed Brothers need only 1 to be champion of this tournament. Mixed Brothers just need 1 to be champion of this tournament, and Yoddha have to equalize to set. Again the point is in favor of Yoddha. Yoddha have equalized. Again 17-17. Again deuce. All are 17. All are 17. Let's watch who will get the first point again. At the stage of deuce, who will get the first point? Let's watch. Softly lifted the ball. This time Aditya. Whoa! Aditya smashed it hard but cannot be able to break the block. Again. This time Mukundo. Again the first point comes in favor of Mixed Brothers 18 and Yoddha 17. Mukundo, what a pair! Absolute stunner. This is drastically fantastic. Tried it hard again. The point is in favor of Who will be the champion? It's not easy to be champion. Everyone is trying their best. Everyone is trying. Oh, another point! Now they are all 19, 19, 18.
হাত তো মারি হেৰি আছা
লিপটাটোহে মই
Just
জানে হয়
1 point needed for Mixed Brothers to be champion of this tournament, and Yodha need 1 point to equalize the set. Whoa! Again, another point for Yodha. All are 19 again. All are 19 again. What an exciting match. Again, 2 consecutive points needed for both teams.
হয় কেলা
এইটো বেয়া হ'ল 40 বোলে কথা শুনবা
All are 19.
ওই পুঠা দিয়ে যাও
Wow. Good coordination. Yes. Massive hit. Oh, the point is in favor of Mixed Brothers as it has been touched the net. The point is in favor of Mixed Brothers 20. Yodha 19. Just 1 point needed for Mixed Brothers. This time Aditya, the lucky serviceman. Who will have the last love? This time, most important and crucial time for is the champion of this tournament by defeating